And friends, I'm going to tell you the hardest thing in the world to do is to trust the system. Trust
Yeah.
the system. Yeah, trust the system. It's part of it's not because you don't it's not because you don't believe us. Okay, the system works. I'm just telling you, it's math is what it is. It's very complicated math. It involves a lot of things. And, I mean, even just with 8 pieces of debt, there's more than 40,000 calculations for how you line those 8 things up in order. I mean, it's crazy how much math is involved in this. The but you don't have to think your way through that. When GPS first came out, we were all using maps prior to that. Remember, everybody used maps from MapQuest. We used, when we had MapQuest, we thought MapQuest was the bomb. I mean, because all of a sudden you didn't have to, find your way through the key map. You could just go ahead and tell it where you were going, and it would tell you turn left and turn right and turn left and turn right. It gave you the instructions. The problem was is it wasn't actually 100% up to date. But today, then in the digital age, well, it can see where the police officers are sitting. It can see where the traffic's slowing down. It can tell you where the school bus stops are at. So it can tell you everything that you need to know about what your drive time is going to be like. And it gives you an ETA based on the speed limit of the streets that it's going to take you down. Well, but if you want to step on the gas, you can. Well, that's just like Money Max. Money Max is going to give you the same thing. Its ETA is based on the income that you have and the outgo that you have. That's what it is. And crazy enough, and there's even more to it than that. I mean, we're only talking about the get out of debt portion tonight. But there's a whole other side of Money Max to where you can actually start to use your debt dollars. We turn debt dollars into asset dollars. What would that mean? Well, that would mean that big mortgage payment that you're paying right now can all of a sudden not just be making the mortgage payment and not just paying some interest and some principal, paying a little escrow, but it can also be generating a retirement income for you when you're ready to retire. There's a whole wealth side to Money Max as well. And of course, the whole idea is to be willing to go through the learning curve. Are you willing to go ahead and learn Money Max? It's extremely simple. We set it up for you. It's fully customized. All of the dates that are in here are all going to be your own due dates. There'll be your own due dates. All it does is say, well, where's money coming from and where's it going to, and then how much is going to be going. And then at the end of the month, it knows what's left over and it will give you the exact instructions of what you're looking for to do with that money. And that's all Money Max really is.